Moving on to editing the header. So you could choose a header type. You can make it a large banner, you could make it a small banner, or only the title. It's your choice. The cover, you can make it a big one like a cover. The choice of these images is very open, so you could either upload from your computer or you could search from preset backgrounds over here. You could search on the internet and get the link for one, and you have Google directly embedded over here. So I'm going to search for news and I'm going to add it, double click, add it as a background. Here it will adjust the lights in it so that it matches with your writing, which is an amazing thing. And this one will help you move it up or down, so based on what you choose.